How to add a new administrator on WordPress. Creating a new administrator user is easy in WordPress. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to add a new WordPress admin user. Watch the video and follow these simple steps. This video will show you the normal way how you can add the admin user. If you have lost access to your dashboard and you want to restore it, you can check the description. I have there a video on how to insert an admin in a different way. It is important to understand that an administrator has full and complete ownership of a website and can do absolutely everything. This person has complete power over post pages, comments, settings, themes, plugins, import, users, everything. Nothing is off limits, including deleting everything. So please be careful if you give this access to somebody. So first of all, open your browser and enter into your WordPress administration panel. Write your domain /wp line admin. Write your username and password and then log in. Now go with the mouse over users and click on Add New. The only three required inputs are username, email, and role, but we can add all other info. On the password, you can write a custom password or generate a new one. An important checkbox is Send User Notification. If you leave this checked, the user will receive an email that a new user is ready. Now, to add a new administrator on the WordPress site, you need to click on Role and select Administrator. Now click on Add New User. You have added a new admin user on your WordPress site. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. You can also watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.